Kia ora, Te Anau School. Ko Harriet toko ingoa. My name is Harriet. It's our party, the 30th of July.
And Mōrena, ko Keira, ahau. I'm Keira. Welcome to the morning report on this warm, wet, windy winter's day.
Let's get into Te kupu o te wiki. This week's word is pūharu, which is te reo for best.
As in te kura, pūharu, meaning the best school.
Okay, lunchtime activities. Today, straight after eating, from 12:30, there's inside games in Te Whare Ki Uta, the new hall, for all years 1 to 4.
And there's capture the flag on the Kindy field, years 3 to 6. Let's go.
And if you can't remember what's happening, check out the activities whiteboard outside the office at lunchtime.
Okay, most students are doing the right thing, wearing Hi Viz vests to and from school. Please do likewise.
Ka pai. Health and safety news. A reminder about washing or sanitizing your hands before eating. Stay safe, everyone.
Okay, bus news. Especially if after school today you have sport, tennis, dance, art or music.
Students not on the bus after school, remember to mark yourselves off. And if you've already done it, ka pai.
Okay, yesterday we had most students using the bike racks. Please remember to park your bikes in the bike racks.
Okay, duty teacher info. For all you keen beans out there, today's duty teachers at morning tea are Mr. Child and Mrs. Graham.
While at lunchtime there's Mr. Chapman, Mrs. Hanson, Mrs. Miffin, Mrs. Ixel, Mrs. Mann and Mrs. Fidelson.
Remember, anything you need help with out there,
go see a duty teacher. They're here to help.
Birthday news. 1 today at Te Anau School. Chloe in room 10 is turning Snake Eyes 11.
Rafana Chloe, happy birthday. Have a great day.
Okay, tomorrow is Rameri, and that means sausage sizzle day. So remember your cash and go to the K-Food block before the bell.
And tomorrow is also Matariki breakfast day. Pancakes.
Yes, please. So remember your plate, spoon and cup, or whatever you need for the big celebration.
Last news for the day, Netball Festival notice.
All students signed up for the Netball Festival. You have training and information on the netball courts today at lunchtime. Kia ora.
Okay, if you missed any info, check out the notes in the description box below. I'm out. Harriet. Goodbye.
Ka kite popo. See you tomorrow. Piki aka ki te tangata.